One of the things that I try to do is think outside the box and come up with new ways of helping my clients either be more efficient, make more money, or save time. Today I want to show you this amazing new app that I just created, and what it's designed to do is actually take you through a questionnaire that will help you discover which pro hair color line is best for you. So it's going to ask you all kinds of questions. It's not that long, but it's going to ask you quite a few questions that most hairdressers ask when they're looking for a new brand. I'm going to take you to my screen now and show you exactly how to use this tool. So you're going to come to this page, and here's the web link here, and this is going to be also on my app. So all you do is you just click on this where it says copy and open Gemini chat. So you're going to click on that. And what it's going to do, it's going to take you to a free Gemini AI app. And it's already set to go to there. All you got to do now is go to a new chat. It already copied the prompt that I put into the system. So you just got to hit paste, and then you're going to hit the submit button right here. And then the whole process, the whole questionnaire is going to start. So it says up here, welcome, I'm here to help you find the best professional hair color brand for your business. To start, I'd like to get a feel for your current workflow. What hair color brands are you currently using, and which specific products from those brands are you using for permanent color, demi-permanent color, toners, and lighteners and bleaches? Okay, and you can put in as little or as much as you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and just, I'm just going to pick one. Redken, I can't remember all the lighteners, but I'll put in lighteners. Okay, so you basically just told it what you're currently using. And so now it's going to talk about your salon structure, you know, whether you're a salon suite, working solo, commission stylist, booth rent, or part of a multi-chair independent salon. So I'm just going to say studio stylist, independent. Okay. Thanks for that. It sounds like you're running your own business and have full control over your product choices. That gives us the freedom to build a system that's perfect for your unique needs as a studio stylist. Given you're the sole stylist, what are the top color services you perform most often? For example, is it gray coverage, blonding, fashion colors, or something else? I'm just going to say gray coverage, blonding. Okay, so I hit return again. Okay, so it says your studio stylist specializing in gray coverage and blonding, including balayage. That means you need a color line with exceptional gray blending capabilities, but also a robust and reliable lightener and toning system to support your blonding work. Knowing that you have these specific service needs, what is the most common condition of your client's hair? Are they most dealing with resistant gray, healthy, normal, or are you seeing a lot of fragile, compromised hair? And I'm just going to put a mix of all of the above. So it says you need a versatile system that can handle anything that walks through your door. It means we should look for a brand with a permanent line that offers excellent, reliable gray coverage, but also a gentle conditioning demi-permanent or toner line that won't compromise the integrity of fragile hair. Now let's talk about the products themselves. Do you have any specific preferences for ingredients like low odor or low ammonia formulas, or perhaps an awareness of PPD sensitivities? And I'm going to say yes, quite a few of my clients are asking for safer options. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay. Now it says it means we should focus on brands known for their general low ammonia or even ammonia-free formulas that still deliver exceptional results. Let's talk about the speed of your services. Do you prefer classic timing for color processing, or are you looking for faster options like 10-minute permanent color or even a 5-minute express option for men's services? So I'm going to say probably a mix of both. Let's see what it says. Given everything you shared, A studio stylist specializing in gray coverage and blonding with the desire for safer and more efficient color options, I have a clear picture of what would best serve your business. You need a versatile system that delivers on performance, but also respects your client's desire for more general ingredients and your own need for efficiency. Yeah, who doesn't? Based on this, I have two excellent brand combos from our catalog that fits your needs. I present my top recommendation first, followed by a strong alternative. Yeah, that's good. It's giving you two options. All right, so no surprise to me, but your best fit brand combo, Oligo. You know, Oligo has been our #1 brand for a while, and it's no surprise it's pointing in this direction. But all right, this recommendation is a home run for your specific needs as a busy studio stylist. Oligo's Color line is built on a philosophy of performance and general safer ingredients, making it a perfect fit for your clients who are asking for exactly that. The dual system of Color Permanent and Color Gloss, paired with the Black Light Lightener, gives you a comprehensive and cohesive workflow, which means everything works together and gives you the ultimate results. Permanent Core, Oligo Color Permanent Shine Hair Color, why it fits. Color is an ammonia-free exothermic hair color. The general low odor formula will be a huge benefit for your clients seeking safer options and will make your studio a more pleasant environment. The patented exothermic technology means the color is self-heating, which helps push pigments into the hair more efficiently, giving you reliable gray coverage. This line has a full-feature gray coverage series to handle your most resistant clients. Wish I could read better or talk better. Demi Toner, Oligo Color Gloss, why it fits. This is your perfect demi-permanent and toning partner. And this is the award winner that's won just about every award in the last few years. It's a non-ammonia acidic liquid gloss that works synergistically with the Color Permanent line. It will give you those sought-after rich, even toners for your blonding and balayage clients without compromising the hair's integrity. It's also an excellent option for low lighting or refreshing mid-shafts and ends. The lightening system, of course, is the Oligo Black Light Lightener and Toning System. And, you know, of course, most of my clients know that it's a fantastic system for blonding and balayage. It's highly sought after for its powerful lift and conditioning feel it leaves on the hair. It is designed to work perfectly with the Color Gloss toners, giving you a complete and predictable blonding and toning workflow. The Express option, of course, is their newest Color 10. Why it fits, of course, is part of the system, and this is an ideal tool for your clients with gray regrowth who want to be in and out quickly. Color 10 processes in just 10 minutes, allowing you to maximize your time and fit more appointments into your day, boosting your profitability. It's a fantastic express service to offer, and since it's part of the Color family, you'll have consistent results in a familiar formula. All right, and then this is just giving you like a checklist of things like the most popular shades to start with. Developers, so if you're on a tight budget, you can start with those things. Gives you a quick start guide, the mixing ratios and all of that. It's giving you a lot of information, okay? And so let's see, where's the other alternative? And it didn't give me any other alternative. I thought it was going to give me two different brands. Let me see if I can ask more. All right, so it's just telling you, to book with me, and then here's a link to my private app. Talks about our shipping in our company, benefits of dealing with us or me, and okay, so just reconfirming that, and okay, I'm going to say okay. Let's see, what other alternative is your next best recommendation? Let's see what it says. Okay, so this is, again, another one of our recent top brands, and it says the best alternative is Aloxi. And it says Aloxi is a great alternative because it offers a truly comprehensive system with multiple lines that directly address your needs for flexibility, speed, and client comfort. Their permanent, express, and demi-permanent lines are all designed to work together, giving you a seamless and profitable workflow. So it talks about the Chroma permanent hair color, the Aloxi tones. It talks about their lighteners, and of course, they've got their Express, Andiamo Express that they're recommending. And this was actually our original 10-minute Express hair color. And I've got clients that use it and they swear by it. And in fact, we actually have a special promotion going on right now for anybody that hasn't gotten into this. You can get into this for under $100. So first order checklist tells you same things, kind of giving you some recommendations. And anyway, this is how you use this. And again, this is using artificial intelligence. This is using Gemini that's owned by Google. And, there's a chat GTP out there. There's a lot of different AIs. But this is the one that I chose to actually give you, really in-depth information. And this is the one that actually worked the best. So hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Or you can contact me for one of my customers. And let me know what you think. All right. And if you have any other questions, or if it didn't give you the answer you were looking for, don't hesitate to reach out and give me a call or text. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.